Hi everyone. Now we are going to see exercise 8.2 page number 125 8th standard for class 8th standard page number 125 sixth sum. First we will read the question. And then we will go for the answer. During a sale. During a sale, a shop offered a discount of 10% on the marked price of all items. What would be the customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450 and two shirts marked at rupees 850 each? First we have to understand it. In the sale, in a shop, they are giving the discount. 10%. They are giving the discount 10% for each and every item. What would a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans? Pair. What do you mean by pair? Pair means two. He is buying. A customer is buying two. A customer is buying two jeans. Two jeans at a price of 1450 and two shirts. He is buying two shirts marked at rupees 850 each. He is buying two shirts. He is buying two shirts. One shirt price is 850. One shirt price is 850. The word is there. So he is buying two shirts. Okay, two shirts. So one shirt's price is 850. Then we have to find for two. Okay, like this. First you have to understand the question, and then we will do the answer. Okay, I'll write the answer now. Marked price. What? They have given the marked price only. Marked price is nothing but CP. Okay, marked price of a pair of jeans. Is equal to rupees 1450. Discount. They have given the discount for all the items 10%. Therefore, discount of 10%. It is equal to 10% means 10 by 100. For what? For 1450. For this 10 will be cancelled. Here 10 will be cancelled. So discount amount is equal to rupees 1 into 1445 is 145. 1 into 145 is 145. Discount for the jeans is 145. Then we will find the sale price. Sale price is nothing but selling price. After getting some discount, what amount we have to pay? That one we are going to find. Marked price minus discount. This is the formula. Sale price is equal to marked price minus discount. Usually when we are going to the shop, it will be some rate in the shirt or jeans. If they are giving the discount from the in the label, what it is there, from that they will make the discount. Like that we are doing the subtraction. So it is 1450 minus rupees 145. If you have subtracted. Okay, I will do the subtraction here. 1450 minus 145. 541. We will do the subtraction. So in 0, 5 will not go. Borrow from here. 4, it is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Here it is 0. Here it is 3. Okay. Here 1. So it is rupees 1350. Sale price of the jeans. This is the sale price of pair of jeans is equal to 1305. Okay, now we'll find for the shirts. Now we'll find for the shirts. Marked price of 2 shirts. Marked price of 2 shirts. Okay, they have given each, the word each. What do you mean by the word each? Means one is 850, one is 850, 850, one is 850. One shirt is 850. He is buying, that customer is buying 2 shirts. So multiply it by 2. So multiply it by 2. So if you have multiplied this, you will get 0. 0 2s are 0, 5 2s are 10, carry over 1, 8 2s are 16, 17. This is the marked price. Marked price of 2 shirts. Marked price of 2 shirts is equal to rupees 1700. 1700. For this also, that customer is getting the discount. For all item 10%. Discount of 10% is equal to 10 by 100 into 1700. For this 2 zeros will be cancelled. So it is 10 into 17 is rupees 170. Discount for the shirt is 170 rupees. 170 rupees. Now we will find the sale price. Sale price of shirts is equal to marked price minus discount. Marked price minus discount. This is the formula. Already we have seen this. This is the formula. Okay, so it is 1700 minus rupees 170. Okay, I'll do the subtraction here. 1700 minus 170. 0 minus 0 is 0. In 0, 7 will not go borrow. 6 is here. 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. Here we have 1. So it is rupees 1530. This is the sale price of the shirt. Sale price of 2 shirts. Sale price of 2 shirts. Sale price of 2 shirts is 1530. 1530. Now we have to find total payment. How the customer, he is buying 1 pair of jeans as well as he is buying 2 shirts also. So total payment, how much the customer has to pay. Therefore total payment made by customer. Total payment made by customer. It is equal to, here it is for jeans. Jeans is rupees 1305 plus rupees 1530. If you are adding it, shall I do the addition here? 1305, 1530. Do the addition. 5382. So it is 2835. 2835. Therefore, how much the customer has to pay? Total payment of the customer. Therefore, total after the discount, total payment made by customer is equal to rupees 2800. It is rupees. Total payment made by the customer. Total payment made by the customer is 2835. 2835. After the discount. After the discount, he has to pay 2335. That's it. Thank you.